Time to clean the chimney again. We burn wood from about November till end of April. Almost non-stop. There are some milder periods like today, that's why we're cleaning it. So it's about +3 Celsius. That's about 38 Fahrenheit. But still, you gotta climb up there and do it. I'll give you a little peek on the way up here and see if you would be doing this. This isn't for everybody, this job. Look at this. Got my supplies ready there already. And it's kind of sticky snow. It's good though. I'm not going to shovel it off because then the roof will be like a skating rink because it's a metal roof. Then I got to get that top part off. Like halfway's got to come off. And most of the Korea sits at the top there, the cap. Get that all cleaned out and then do the chimney all the way into the stove downstairs there, like below. And then put it all back together again, and then we're good for a couple months again. Probably won't have to do it again now for the rest of the winter. This will hold us. So up at the top of the roof, this whole part's got to come off. And I got to take it off and then clean the cap and everything. It's always good to have a helper. There's my wife, Kulika. She's coming up too. It's nice and sticky, but it's unpredictable. It might be sticky here and then a skating rink there, and you go like that. So we have a rope system. She has her own rope over there. She's getting ready. We got all the tools. There's quite a bit of snow up here, but like I said, I'm not going to clean that off. It's giving some traction. So it'd be nice if this pipe, if the hat was here somewhere. It'd be easy. I could take the hat off and just go right in. But probably because of code, we have another roof over here. And this pipe has to clear probably for draft reasons. So it's kind of hard. You got to take this off. There's 3 screws here. I got to take them off, and then I got to lift this off, put it on my shoulder, and then bring it down. Then I'll clean inside, and I'll do this last. So, you know, you're burning non-stop, so it's going to be dirty. It's just nothing you can do about it. We're burning every day. We're burning, not all night. We turn it down at night, but most days we're going through like a wagon load of wood. So I'll get that off, and I'll show you how it looks. Bonus clip. There's our cat, Sonny Boy, in the aviary. Like I said, it's +3, 38 Fahrenheit, so he hasn't been able to come out at all. It's been so cold here. The birds might come out after we're done the roof here. They're not in the aviary right now. So let's get to the chimney. So look at that, guys. That's where most of the trouble is on the hat. See this? The Korea set there. Once this gets closed up, it chokes, the smoke will come in the house. Otherwise, it's not too bad in there. You might think, oh, that looks bad. That's very light, fluffy creosote. That's not the problem. The problem's in the hat. So I'm going to clean the pipe over here first. Then I'll do the last pipe with the hat, and I'll show you how it all looks. So I got it all clean. All the fine creosote, the stage 1 creosote, that's what it is, fluffy. We have a bag. We're trying to catch as much as we can. And the pipe. All the way down into the wood stove. It's all done. And the hat is over there. It still looks like ugly, right? But there's no creosote in here at all anymore. It was all just caked in there. It's all cleaned up. In the summer I'll take it off and I'll sand it and everything. If need be, get a new hat. So I'll get it back together and I'll show you guys it from the ground when it's all done. So back down on the ground, got it all together, and it's nice and clean again. I know it's hard to see, but we want to see daylight through the hat, and we can see it perfectly. There's our little bird feeder here. A lot of birds, a lot of entertainment for Sonny Boy. He's still in that old bird aviary, now a catio. And we didn't bring the birds out. It's starting to snow now. It's not that cold, but it's getting later and it's kind of breezy. So we thought we wouldn't. Anyways, how often should you clean that? Well, if you're burning every day like we are from November till end of April, we're doing it about 3 times. 3 times throughout that span. Like if you're burning like that, I mean, it never hurts to clean something, guys. Cleaning is not going to hurt, especially a a wood stove chimney. So just wanted to show you what we're doing today, and one of the many chores on the farmer, but we love it up here. So give a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video.